Microscopes are the windows to the unknown. The Light Microscopy Facility, LMF, is the place where you can visualize your research. The LMF combines two state-of-the-art optical microscopy techniques under one roof: confocal and multiphoton laser scanning microscopy. It offers researchers at the RWTH Aachen University and external users access to complex fluorescence microscopy, an indispensable tool for investigating all aspects of biomedical research. At our facility, you have the opportunity to investigate your scientific questions with the help of state-of-the-art technology and comprehensive expertise. The LMF offers specialized microscope systems that are suitable for a wide range of applications, from high-resolution imaging of cells and three-dimensional reconstructions to the examination of living organisms and tissue samples with greater penetration depth. Our experts accompany you every step of the imaging process, from sample preparation to detailed data analysis. This ensures that you can exploit the full potential of the available technology. The generation of large image data is followed by the visualization and process of this data. With the appropriate hardware and specialized software solutions for image evaluation, we support you in extracting and quantifying your data and converting it into publishable results. Our flexible infrastructure allows you to use the microscopes independently or to further expand your expertise in microscopy through individual consultation and training by our experienced staff.